In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Mobirise tag from your HTML. If you want a cleaner, white-labeled output from your site, this is a quick setting that makes a big difference. We'll move through the process smoothly so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, sign into your Mobirise account. If you're using the desktop app, make sure you're logged in within the app itself so your licenses and extensions are recognized. A stable internet connection helps the app validate your subscription status in the background. Once you're in, open the main menu. This is the hamburger icon typically located at the top corner of the Mobirise interface. Think of this as your control center. Everything account related and global to the app lives here. From that menu, choose Account. This takes you to the area where your profile, licenses, and app-wide preferences are accessible. If you manage multiple extensions, this is also a useful place to verify what's currently active. Next, head into App Settings. Don't confuse this with project or site-specific settings. App settings affect the way Mobirise itself behaves and how it generates your code. Inside here, you'll find options that influence global output and editor behavior. Now look for the option labeled Remove Mobirise from HTML and make sure it's checked. This setting strips the Mobirise branding from the generated HTML, which is perfect if you're delivering projects to clients or maintaining a consistent brand. Important note, this option appears when you have an active code editor subscription. If you don't see it, it usually means the code editor extension isn't activated on your account, has expired, or the app hasn't synced yet. Signing in again, updating the app to the latest version, or verifying your extension status in the account area can resolve that. Once the option is enabled, Mobirise will generate your pages without the default branding in the HTML. When you next publish or export your site, check your page source to confirm the change. If the old tag still appears, it's often a caching issue. Republishing to a fresh folder or clearing your browser cache typically clears it up. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. This setting doesn't alter your visible page design. It only affects the underlying code output. Keep a backup of your project files before making broad changes, and ensure your subscription stays active so the option remains available. That's it. Simple, clean, and professional. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined HTML.